Hey guys, how you guys doing? It's Jerome Parker here. So I had a client who just hit me up this morning and said that they needed role-based access control put into their application. So basically, they have some new people who are joining the team. Some of them need to have access to do edits and write permissions, but some of them just need to look at accounts. And then, of course, there needs to be an admin account that can do everything. So basically, right now there's only one account because there's only one person using the app. Well, in the application, by the way, it's a uh, collections billing application. So they get the debts and they collect on it. So there's only one account, and that's the current admin. So we're gonna or person. So we're gonna make them an admin. So need to do that by first creating a new database migration, and by doing so, I will be adding roles to this. So no, add role to user table equals users. Just want to make sure I got that right. Pretty sure it's users. Yeah, it's users. Cool. All right, cool. So let's go. Sorry, I got a text message. So let us go here. And by default, we're going to add a string to the table. And by default, we want the person just to have read-only rights. Table string role, not Reich, role. Default read. Da, 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 da. Don't want to be read. Don't want to be notable. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, of course, if we drop table, drop column, row. Okay, okay. So that pretty much takes care of that. So the main meat here is basically we're gonna authorization. So Laravel, we're gonna use Laravel policies. I'm using Laravel 5.3. Got to pull it up right here. So what's a policy? A policy is basically a class that defines what a certain class can and can't do. It takes in a user object because and then another object that you're doing a policy on. So if you look here, we have a class policy, right? So let's say you or post policy. So let's say you have a blog and only people with people can only update a post if their ID is equal to the user ID. So it takes in the user object, it takes in the object that you're making a policy for. So we're going to do the same thing here for users. So basically, only admins can create a user, and only admins can update and delete users. I'm going to keep it pretty locked down. And then we're also going to have a policy for making charges. So if someone can charge an account or edit an account or delete an account. So we're going to make a policy, but instead of having, we're going to place post with user. Policy, user policy, user policy model equals user. All right, cool. Policies, user policy. So we register the policies in the auth service provider. User. And for every policy that you make, you basically put the model that is on and the name of the policy. So let's go back here. So basically, you're going to be doing a bunch. These are returning a bunch of truth tests. So this one might seem a little confusing because we're both using two users. So there's two conditions on the view. You can view the account. You can view your own user if you are the user yourself, or if you're an admin. So we're going to return parentheses. Let me call that U. So if user ID equals U ID, or user role equals admin. And that way only admins and people who are their own person can view the account. So determine whether the user can create users. That one's easy. Return user. I like to do parentheses around this stuff. User role equals admin. Determine whether the user can update the user. We'll make that U. We'll make this one U. And it's the same as the other ones. All right. And that's pretty much that for right there. And now what we're going to do, I haven't done the Laravel basic default authentication. So there's no login and register. So we're going to do that real quick. PHP artisan. Actually, did I? Let me make sure. I guess I did actually. Hold on. Let me go back to the routes. Web. Let's see. Kids getting their hair brushed. Know how that can go. So we got layouts, app. Yeah, okay. So right here, we're just gonna put if user can create, if user can create, and if I'm just gonna copy this, paste it there, and we're gonna do register. See what that looks like. Oh, I haven't ran the Cedar. I need to truncate my database actually. -u dash p. Not PHP, MySQL, just MySQL. Alright, truncate users, exit, P. Alright, I had to get rid of my users. PHP artisan, DB, seed. I'm tripping. PHP artisan, migrate, seed. All right, awesome. Let me, cool, admin. Am I doing something wrong? Let me see. No. Policy filters, if user can. Oh, duh. I didn't put the user class. User class. User class. I love the pressure of live coding. Here, actually, why don't we do this? Why don't we go, just to make sure that I'm executing this right, why don't we go to the home controller, and why don't we just do a dd auth user can create user. Undefined property 26. Undefined property. Undefined property. Oh. Silly mistakes. Cannot use app user as user because the name is already in use. I knew this was gonna be tricky. Alright. What? Number 6. Oh. Well, I don't need that at all, actually. True. Okay, so it is true. So maybe it'll work now because there was something funky going on with that. No, still not working. Let's see. I'm curious. Laravel Blade policy. Checking policies. Gotta love it. All right. The can blade directive. So let's search at can. Awesome. Can create. Is it? And can. All right. Can create. Can create user class. I'm hoping that should work. Yep. All right. Cool. So we do register. Okay. So I didn't put it there. PHP artisan make off. Oh man. Oh crap. All right, so I need to reset all of that, unfortunately. Oh, cool. That stayed. And policy. I think it undid everything that I did. I should have moved that. I should have moved everything over before I did that. Sorry it's taking so long. Okay, just making sure that stayed. We'll call this. I'm gonna do. Actually, wait a minute. That don't make any sense. Maybe I just didn't put the not console. So currently, I'm trying to see if I have this. Is it on? Okay. So let me make sure. So I'm gonna just move all of this stuff. So I'm gonna rename this to app.blade back, and then I'm gonna name the home dot back, and I think that should fix it, because then I can just rerun. All right, and then let us delete that and rename, get rid of the dot back, and let us delete that and let us rename. Fuck. I'm sorry. I realized I did the same thing again. Because it wasn't the home, it was the welcome. I forgot this particular app. I did it differently. Welcome notes back. Because I've already done so much work, I don't want it to undo everything when it does its scaffolding. So that's why I'm doing these dot backs. So when I run the authentication stuff, it won't really matter. Wait, what's this? All right, so I really messed up. Damn it. Yeah. All right, life of a software programmer. I don't know what. Let's see. Let me go to my routes. Home index. Let's see. Home controller. Index. Return view. Home. Return view. Home. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be. So why is it doing that? That's strange. It's not even recognizing it. Get support. controller. Right. Alrighty. Why is it saying you are logged in? Dashboard. If I could find where it's at. New content. Report success. Support. Welcome. Huh. Well, I gotta figure out what's going on here. So I'm actually going to end this stream. Or maybe I won't. Yeah, maybe. It's good for you guys to see some good debugging. I just wish I knew what was going on. Let me do a global search and find. What does the dashboard say? You are logged in. You are logged in. All right, no results. So I'm at a complete loss here. Complete loss. All right. We're going to go back to command line. Get reset. Get status. This is back where it's supposed to be. Payment history. All right, cool. So I can get rid of this. Yes. It's welcome. It's supposed to be. And get rid of this. And home. Get status. Modified home controller. Oh wait, that's why it worked. Okay, so it does have. So it is doing that part right. This is returning view home. Dude, that is so trippy. Why is it doing that? Wow, that's weird. Okay, I have no idea why that happened, but it happened. So let's try this again. Let's try this again. Sorry about that. That was like 15 minutes of your life gone. I apologize. But that is what happens sometimes when you code. All right, so now that we have that underway, let's go ahead and commit these, redirect to, and then let us do layouts, rename, dot back. And then we're going to do home. We're going to duplicate. Back. And we're going to, so okay, so we got that. All right, we're going to try this one more time, guys. Just for safe measure. All right. So we're going to delete. Trash. What just happened? All right, and then web. It was routes slash home. Undefined variable account. Ah, shoot. Home controller. Yeah. Account. There we go. All right, so now we can go back to what I was originally doing with the whole can thing. So let's go back to app layouts, wherever it's at. App. All right. Sorry about this, guys. Sorry. Goodness gracious. I hate debugging. All right. Can create app user class and can register. Oh, did I do the database seed? I guess I gotta look that over again, huh? DD all user can false. Why is it false? Secret select all from users. Yeah, I am an admin. What's going on there? Oh no, I don't want to terminate. I want to exit. I'm so confused. All right, well, in any case, I'm gonna truncate, exit, PHP, artisan, DB seed. Why is it saying false? All right, one thing goes away and another one comes up. Ah, double quotes. All right, let me. Wait, no. Wow. What's going on? So now it's saying that, yeah, though that didn't work. Wait, did I even do anything? Yeah, still didn't work. Yeah, so now I gotta figure out why all of a sudden my policy isn't working when it was working before. Let's see something. Okay, so that's the end of that. Let me look at something else real quick. resources, use layouts, app. This is one of my other apps I was looking at. Oh, navigation. Just take that snippet. I guess we don't really need this. Method not allowed. Oh wait, is that gotta be yeah. I don't even feel like messing with that right now. I'm just gonna make a git and fix that later. Actually, I guess I need to go ahead and just do it. I'm almost done. Post. Actually, no, this needs to be a button. Something's not right. Token mismatch. Oh my gosh, freaking tokens. Station. Account, individual. Where's that token? There we go. Oh, I was logged in as two people. That might have caused an issue. Alright, so let me replace this with nothing. And let me do the actually. Gotcha. Why is it doing that? Home controller. This is off, not off basic. That's why it's doing that. This connection is not secure. Blah 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 blah. Log in. All right, cool. I thought this would take much less time than I expected. Also, that's why. Over here looking crazy. Gotta love it. I'm going to move this. Get out of my face. All right, there you go. Now I gotta register user. Oh yeah, shit. I forgot. It won't let me if I'm already logged in. And we have resources. Use auth. There's the register. Keep that right there. Controllers. Register controller. I don't want any middleware. Let's try that one now. Cool. And then we're gonna add an username, email address, and here role. This is and then role. Here we're gonna do some checkboxes or selection list HTML5 select. Oh my gosh, that's ugly. Alright, we're gonna make this class equals form control. We're gonna controller side, register. We'll make sure role is required. Role data role. All right, now let's go back. Go here. Exit class equals form control. Maybe it's I don't think so. It don't make any sense. Yeah, that don't make no sense. I had it right. So let's say I have yeah, master shake ranked jsalute@gmail.com read only. Oh, name equals role. All right, cool. So now I need to make now we're gonna go back to policies. So basically I'm gonna make an account policy, and if you're a read-only account, then you can't see any you can't make any payments. And if you're a write account or admin account, you can make payments. So actually, you know what? We can just keep the same policy we have. We can just keep the same policy. We're just going to copy the create policy. Can charge accounts or role. Right. Okay. So let us go here. Let's go to account, individual, and can charge just gonna go ahead and just copy that one. Account invoices. All right, and I think that's pretty much everything. Got to do one more with the app, with the let's see, can create add account. We don't want people. Let's see, and can that right there too. All right, guys. So you basically just saw use of policies, how to create policies, and it's a lot of debugging, which actually is probably the most important thing for you to see is the debugging. So I don't think I had any questions from anybody. Yeah. So I just wanted to do a live stream. I'm still on vacation. I'm on vacation until Friday, but saw a good opportunity since my client had to get that done. So, all right, guys, thank you. Appreciate it. And I will be on later tonight, possibly, and to do a tutorial stream as well. So, stay tuned.